ready to go do a Red Rocks hike, and this van just doesn't ever stop braking on us. Here's Bree laughing. So this door has been our only sliding door to get in the back. Has been problematic since we got it. It's been getting worse and worse to the point where you have to slide it closed and then body check it to make sure that last little bit closes, like the crease. We just heard a bunch of crazy noises closing it, and we saw this piece of cardboard fall off, so must have been the previous owner. And we like tried opening and close it to see what was good, and this metal bar just fell off that connected the car right here.
Like the little track thing.
Yeah, the track thing to close the door to this. So this is our door of the van. And this is fucked. So normally this door is like connected by this to that. And then this is leaned up against this. So right now it looks like this is our only point of traction. So we have to push it and then slide it. Yeah, so we got the door closed and we had planned on hiking, so I guess we're gonna go for a hike and deal with this later. If you have ever seen this or you've ever had a GMC Safari and have any idea what this is, please let us know, because otherwise we're gonna take it to the shop and hopefully we can fix it. Otherwise we're gonna have no way to access the back and we're gonna be crawling from the front to the back or in from the trunk. It's a nightmare. How do you feel about this van?
I think it's great. It's a good investment, but it's definitely, you get what you pay for.
So we've got on Catula micro spikes. It is the best thing for traction if you're hiking in conditions like this. We have not snowshoed yet, but that would be the next step up if you're doing like tons and tons of powder. But this is just like 2 inches. But highly recommend these if you're gonna be hiking in the winter or in the snow. You're gonna save yourself a lot of time, a lot of slips, probably a lot of falls. So we had a feeling that something with the door was just a matter of time. Other than all the breakdowns, it's been the most annoying aspect of the day-to-day living in the van. So hopefully it's not too expensive to fix, but we are hiking the Red Rocks Trail. So it's like a 6-mile out and back trail near Red Rocks Amphitheater. Looks pretty cool. We just wanted to get out of the house. And then yeah, I guess we'll deal with the van later because something's gonna happen anytime with it.
The good thing is that we didn't plan on sleeping in it tonight, and we're like 20 minutes away from home. So best case scenario for the door breaking.
Yeah, but it is a 20-year-old van, so getting it fixed might suck.
Okay, so when we were down here earlier, we saw people hiking where we are currently at, and so we think it will be a very cool drone shot of me doing these switchbacks. So Kevin's getting the drone out, and I'm going to head up the trail.
So I don't necessarily think that this hike is a summit, but we're pretty much at the top of the hike, so that we are surrounded by a bunch of massive boulders. So we got Bree on the tallest one. Gonna pull out the drone and hopefully get a sick shot of her. Not all the way. So if you look close, that right there is Red Rocks. I think Amphitheater, or the amphitheater is right next to it.
Okay, so we made it to this little summit thing. It wasn't too long or too high, but it's beautiful, and Red Rocks Amphitheater is right over there. Definitely been to concerts there before, but have never seen it sober and from this view, so.
It's shorter. So we're on our way down right now. Cherry Gulch. On the way up, we actually took a wrong turn based on our All Trails map that we downloaded. So right here, there's a fork. On the way up, we pretty much just took like a mile detour, but they both go to the same place. So Red Rocks Trail or Cherry Gulch works. Woo! I wish I could whistle and holla at you. So why are you using the back doors?
Our door like fell off earlier at the beginning of this hike.
So that was a super awesome day hike. It was a little over 5 miles and like 1,000 feet of elevation. It's 15 minutes from downtown Denver, so it was a really, really awesome hike. Bikes definitely helped in the winter. We got a lot of cool drone shots. Yeah, so now we're gonna get deal with this van, and hopefully it's not too bad or too expensive.
Only con is it's like fairly close to the highway, and you can kind of hear some cars for the first like mile. But other than that, it's great.